All right, guys, we got a fresh trade-in today. Still out here on the job site. A Cat D250B, 1991 model, showing 3,700 hours, 218 horsepower, 5 forward gears, 2 reverse. Customer just upgraded to a new unit. As you can see, the bed is a little rough, but runs and operates and does what it should. We're gonna fire it up and run it around for you. This unit's located about 10 minutes from our shop there in Lewisburg. We may wind up bringing it to our shop. We don't know for sure yet, but it'd be good access to get a detach out here and get it loaded. See, it does have a few hydraulic leaks and whatnot, just an older truck. Still a good solid unit. Good tires. Like I said, the bed, we got some rough places on it.